If you ask a woman what kind of person she desires, she's probably not going to state, a short man. However, that doesn't suggest that a brief person can't get laid, get a girlfriend or discover himself a lovely other half. He can. How? He just has to have the ability to bring in ladies with his character, confidence and capacity as a male, rather than counting on attracting ladies with his height or absence thereof. He's confident, charismatic, alpha, he the capacity to do well in life or is currently doing well, and so on. See this video to see how it works. The relatively tale dream of little girls. Millions of little women mature imagining one day satisfying their Prince Charming and living a happily ever after fairy tale life. If you're one of them, the severe truth is that the more hung up on your height you are and the more you bring a chip on your shoulder over the reality that fairy tales never consist of a short Prince Charming, the most likely it is that you'll struggle to discover females who like short guys. It's not your height that will be making you less attractive, it will be your insecurity over your height that's doing that for you. Consider it for a moment. If ladies were just thinking about a man's height, average height guys and much shorter than typical height people would never discover themselves a sweetheart. Clearly, you understand that brief and typical height people do get laid, get a sweetheart and get wed, so certainly height is not the number one requirement of all females. It is for some, but not for most of ladies. You only require to have a look around at your regional mall to see men of every height out shopping with their better half, sweetheart or fan. If you are a brief person who is stopping working to get laid, get a girlfriend or find yourself an other half, what is the real factor why ladies aren't thinking about you? Watch this video to learn brief star men who succeed with the ladies. It's simple for celebrities to get laid because females have a reason to be brought into them for reasons aside from simply looks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.